Hello children, welcome to the session. How are you? I hope you are all fine, right? This is Aruna, your maths teacher. Today we are going to see 6th standard maths, the first chapter, knowing our numbers. The next exercise, the continuation of the chapter, we are going to see the fourth exercise, which is estimation. See, what is estimation? Estimation is nothing but the approximate value, not accurate value. Approximate value is called estimation. See, where we will use our estimation in our day-to-day life? When we are arranging a function, a birthday party at our home, what we will do? We will estimate number of persons, those who are going to attend the function, right? So, how many persons they can attend? Can we say accurately 100 of them will come or 200 of them will come? No. So, the number of persons we will estimate the number of persons, those who are going to attend the function, right? They may be less than 200 or greater than 200. We will estimate like 200 number of persons they will attend the function. Is it clear? So, likewise we are using the estimated value in our day-to-day life we are using. Okay. So, in this estimation we are going to round the numbers nearest to tens, hundreds, thousands. So, the first thing, how to estimate the number nearest to tens. If we are clear with that, then it will be easy for us to estimate the number nearest to hundreds and thousands. If we are clear with this rounded off numbers, then it will be easy for us to use in the exercise problems to solve, right? So, the first thing what we are going to say is how to round the numbers nearest to tens. So, when we are going to round the number nearest to tens, we are going to see the ones place number. Ones place number is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the ones place numbers now. So, when we are going to take an example of 28, round up the number nearest to 28, nearest to tens. So, nearest to tens, how we will round up the 28 number is, we want to see the ones number. The ones number will be less than 5, then the number will be rounded off to the previous number, that is 20. If the question is 23, see the ones number is 3, which is less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This numbers are there in the ones place, then the number will be rounded to the before number, that is it will be rounded to the nearest 20. If the number in the ones place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, these numbers are rounded to the next nearest number, that is 30. So, the first thing we want to take the number, and this number lies between which two tens, nearest tens number we want to choose. In rounded to tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. In between this only we will get this answers, right. For example, if one more question, if you are going to take 34, the number is nearest to two tens numbers, which is 30 and 40, right. Here in ones place, what is the number? 4, which is less than 5 or greater than 5. 4 is less than 5. So, the number is going to round it off to the nearest, that is the previous number, which is 30. So, the nearest tens number of 34 is 30. So, if your question is 56. Now, 56 lies between which two number? 56 lies between 50 and 60, right. Now, in ones place, what is the number? 6. 6 is greater than 5. So, we are going to round the number to the next tens, which is 60. So, first we need to know how to round the numbers nearest to the tens. The same rule only we are going to use for hundreds and thousands. So, the question here is 57. 57 to the nearest tens. So, 57 will lie between which two numbers? 50 and 60. Here 57 is there, right. In ones place, what is the number here? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So, if it is greater than 5, it will be rounded to the next tens number, which is 60. So, 57 is nearer to 60. Therefore, 57 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 60. Is it clear how to round the number nearest to tens? Now we will see how to round the numbers nearest to 100. So the same rule we are going to use what we did in the tens, right? So for 100, first we are going to see the question 450. 450 will lie between 400 and 500. When we are going to round the number to the nearest hundreds, the numbers will be like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900 and 1000. So to these numbers only we will give the answers, right? So first we are going to choose the question between which two number it will lie nearest to 100. So 450 lie between 400 and 500, and now when we are going to round the number nearest to 100, we need to see the tens place. What is the tens place number? 5. Already I told you the rule. If it is less than 5, the number will be rounded to the before number. If it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then the number will be rounded to the next number, right? So 450, 5 is equal to 5. So when it is equal also, we are going to round to the next hundreds, nearest 100, which is 500. Is it clear? One more example is given here, 630. So in the tens place the number is 3. 630 will lie between 600 and 700. Here the tens place number is 3, which is less than 5 or greater than 5. 3 is less than 5. So the number need to round it to the before number of 630, which is 600. Is it clear? So 450 to the nearest 100 is 500. And 630, the nearest 100 place value is 600. Is it clear how to round to the nearest hundreds? Next we are going to see how to round the numbers to nearest thousands. So here round the number nearest to thousands. So in thousands place 63,320 is given. So this number lie between 63,000 to 64,000. In between this two only 63,320 will be there, right? So when we are going to round the number to nearest 1000, we want to see the hundreds place. If the hundreds place number is less than 5, then this number will be rounded to the before number. If the hundreds place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, the number will be rounded to the next thousands place value. Okay, so here 63,320, the hundreds place is 3, which is less than 5. So the number will be rounded to the before number, which is 63,000. So the answer is the rounded number of 63,320 to the nearest 1000 is 63,000. See the one more example using nearest 1000. See how do you round 42,783 to the nearest thousands place. So here 42,000. So 42,783 will lie between 42,000 and 43,000. Right? This is the first thing. And second, what we are going to see? We are going to round the number to thousands. So we are going to see the hundreds place. What is hundreds place here? 7. 7 is greater than 5. Is it? So when the hundreds place is greater than 5, then this number will be rounded to the next thousands place value, which is 43,000. Is it clear how to round the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands? Using this rounded values only, we are going to solve the following problems now. So the first problem is estimate the sum to the nearest hundreds. So we are going to estimate to the nearest hundreds. I told you how we will estimate the number. See, the first number is 463. Sum is nothing but addition plus 128. First we will estimate the value 463. So 463 in the tens place 6 is there, which is greater than 5. So 463 will lie between 400 and 500. So 63, this 6 is greater than 5. So the next number we are going to take, which is 500. The rounded off to 463 to the nearest 100 is 500. The next number is 128. So 128 lie between what? 100 and 200. 100 and 200. Right? See, now the tens place is 2, which is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. Less than 5 means the before number we are going to take, which is 100. Now we are going to find the sum of this number, that is 500 plus 100 is equal to, add this now, 500 plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 600. Is it clear how to estimate to the nearest 100? Right. So, in addition we have seen now. Now, the next we are going to see in subtraction. Estimate to the nearest thousands. See, 36,863 minus 26,473. The first number 36,863. What is the estimated value of this nearest to 1000? So 36,863 will lie between 36,000 and 37,000. So in thousands place to nearest, we are going to see the hundreds place number. So in hundreds place 8 is there. 8 is greater than 5. So it will be rounded to the next number. Next nearest 1000 is 37,000. The next number is 26,473. Here 26,473 will lie between 26,000 and 27,000. Okay. Now the next in hundreds place we want to see the number. In hundreds place what is the number? 4. 4 is less than 5. Okay. So if it is less than 5, the before number we are going to take, which is 26,000. Now we want to find the difference between these two, that is 37,000 minus 26,000. So find the difference of these two. 37,000, 26,000. Find the difference of these two. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 7 minus 6. What is 7 minus 6? 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 11,000. Is it clear how to find the estimated value to the nearest 1000 in addition and subtraction? Next, we are going to see how to do multiplication. So, in this multiplication, estimate the product to the nearest hundreds and nearest tens we will see. First, we will see to nearest 100. First, we will estimate the values of this to nearest 100. So, the first number is 377, which lie between 300 and 400. See the tens place here, 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? It is greater than 5. So, the number will be rounded to the next number, nearest 100 number, which is 400. The next is 129. 129 will lie between 100 and 200. In tens place the number is 2, which is less than 5. So, the before hundreds nearest 100 is 100. Now, we are going to find the product of 400 into 100. Find the product of this 400 into 100. So, here only the numerical number 1 4s are 4 we are going to multiply. Here 2 4 zeros are there now. We will join all the 4 zeros. So, the answer is 40,000. Therefore, 400 into 100 equal to 40,000 is the estimated value. Right? Now, nearest tens, how we are going to change the number to the nearest tens we will see. First one is 184. 184 will lie between. So 110s we want to change. So 180 to 190. The number will lie between 180 to 190. The ones number is 4, which is less than 5. So the before number we are going to take, which is 180. So we have round the number to nearest tens of 184 is 180. And for 153 will lie between to the nearest tens is 150 to 160. So here in ones place the number is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So the before number only we are going to take the nearest value, which is 150. Now we need to find the product of these two, that is 180 into 150. First we will take 18 into 15. 18 into 15. Find the product of these two. First we are going to take the ones number with this ones, that is 5 8s are. 5 8s are 40. Write the numbers straight to the ones place. 5 8s are 40, 0, remaining is 4. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the tens place number we are going to take 1 to multiply with this, and we need to write the answer straight to the tens place. So 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Now the answer is, add this 0, 9 plus 8 is 17, 7, remaining will be 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 270, and we find the product of 18 into 15. But here the question is 180 and 150, 2 zeros are there, join these 2 zeros in this, therefore the answer is 27,000. Is it clear how to change to the nearest hundreds and tens and to find the product also? So now we are going to find the division. In this, find the estimate quotient. We are going to find the quotient. So first we are going to estimate the number to the nearest tens. So 86 and 29. So first 86. 86 will lie between 80 and 90. In this ones place the number is 6, which is greater than 5. So 86 will be rounded off to what? 90. And next number is 29. 29 will lie between 20 and 30, right? In ones place the number is 9, which is greater than 5. So the next tens place number will be the answer. The rounded value is 30. Now we are going to find the quotient of this estimated value, that is 90 divided by 30 equal to 90 by 30. Cancel this 0 and 0. And in this 9 and 3 we can cancel using 3 table, which is 3 1s are 3. And how many 3s are there in this 9? 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3 by 1, right? So the quotient we can write as 3 by 1 as 3. Is it clear how to find the quotient of the given sum? The next one more example for 76. 76 will lie between to the number of 70 and 80. So the number is nearest to 76 is 70 or 80. It will be 80 because the ones number is 6, which is greater than 5. So the next number we want to take, which is 80. And then for 18, so 18 will lie between 10 to 20. The ones place is 8, which is greater than 5. So it will be rounded off to the next tens place number, which is 20. So the estimated value is 80 divided by 20 equal to 80 divided by 20. 0 0 will get cancelled. Now 8 and 2 can be cancelled using 2 table, right? So 2 1s are 2 and 8 how many times? In 2 table, 2 4s are. So the answer is 4 by 1. We can write 4 by 1 as 4, which is the quotient of the estimated value of 76 divided by 18. Is it clear? So far we have seen in the estimation how to estimate to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. Using the estimated values, we have seen the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Thank you children.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை வணங்கி உணர்ந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திரும்ப செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக